of glitters. So we have red, pink, green, goldish yellow, silver, and blue.
And we have the contact solution, and we have the scent, and we have the baking powder.
We also have the measuring cup and zip-up bags to put the slime in when we're done.
So we're gonna start making the slime.
Yeah!
So let's get started. Yeah! So first we're gonna add the clear glue.
Bobby. Wait, this one.
You took it out before.
I know.
Gotta check them out difficult.
Oh, this is difficult. Oh, it's tiny. Oh, no.
Okay.
These good. How much good? Much good. These are my son.
Mine, Kai. You want my
Okay,
slime?
here, put this. Oh, I cut my this. And then.
Oh shoot.
Minus.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so now should we add the glitter?
Yeah. This is okay.
Okay, so we got the glitter right here. So I'm gonna get, I think right now I'm gonna be making pink.
I want gold. Should I mix?
Yeah. He already has glitter.
No,
I'm gonna add blue too.
I want this. I want orange.
This slime is gonna be beautiful.
That's not orange though.
Yeah.
That's a orange,
I
yellow,
want.
gold. So guys, now, so in my slime I have silver, blue, and pink. So I'm gonna start mixing.
In my slime, I have just red glitter. As you can see.
Hey, look guys, here's my slime. It's about to spill, but yeah, here it is. I'm gonna add
green glitter slime.
So I'm gonna add more pink.
Okay.
Mine looks like 4th of July.
What?
Just saying.
What? But instead
Here's
of
my
red, I have
slime.
pink.
This is the red.
Okay.
Okay. So guys, I think now
here's my
I am
slime.
going to be adding the scent.
I'm gonna add a little bit of silver.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Add 10 pumps of spray. Let me just mix right here so it doesn't smell. I don't know why I blew it on it.
Glued on it?
Well, I don't know. Sorry. Smells good, guys. So I think this scent is like a grape smell. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna activate mine. So,
Red.
and there's 2 contact lens solutions, so I got some. So guys, I hope these slimes be really great. Look guys, look at my slime. It's forming.
Thank you.
Guys, my slime is forming perfectly good. Look guys, look. Ready? You're gonna see the ridge of the
No, it's still
slime.
good.
Kai has a really nice blue and yellow slime.
I feel like he's
I'm
gonna
gonna
add.
Guys, look at we have a white.
We got a leak.
That's technically no difficulty. So that's okay. We're gonna clean this up after, okay?
Okay.
Okay, we're just gonna, yeah.
It's disgusting.
It's disgusting. Okay, guys.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Guys, I think this is gonna be like a gone wrong slime video because everything is getting messy already. Oh,
What the heck is wrong with you?
That's so good. Okay, so. Oh, my slime's feeling like
You have a little bit because you're a little
okay,
bit
guys,
of a
so I
chunky.
hope this slime feels good. I
Why
know
is
it's gonna
putting
feel
so much contact solution?
I don't know why. It's just a good. Okay, guys, you want to see my slime? Look at that. It's a really nice.
Mine is super whatever this.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna start adding pink, like my bowl and
Mine's blue now.
Mine's red.
Okay, guys. The more glitter you add, the
Oh,
more
my
color you'll
God.
get. So like,
I got this in my hand.
and you can tell who.
Give me
And guys, when you're done watching this video, comment down below who has the prettiest slime. So I don't really know who has the prettiest slime. I think everyone does.
No one saw that.
What?
No, it's not.
Okay. You should make that. So guys, I think our slimes are turning out good. Is Kai even activating?
Veronica, can I get some, please?
There, mix it.
No one saw that.
Okay, there.
Baking soda?
Guys, look at my slime.
Thank you.
No, look at my slime. I think this slime is going to
Mine's
be
turning like red,
amazing.
Mine's turning like a different kind of colors. It's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome. Okay, guys, so you see a lot of stuff in the maze, so I'm
That's
going to
pretty cute.
Guys, look
That's cute.
How's that
Now
looks like
it's pretty
toothpaste?
I want more glitter.
Look at this, guys. Look how stretchy my slime.
Mine's like sticky.
Look,
Look,
guys.
one that always has to be far away from all the activators.
There's 2 activators.
Yeah, there's. Oh wait. I'm gonna take a both
Oh my god, why is there one in the middle? Take it out here. So guys, look at my bowl. It's empty, clean. So I'm gonna start going in my hands.
It's that. Oh my god. You want my slime?
Your slime was already ruined.
Okay guys, so look at my slime.
No, it's no.
Okay guys, so here's my slime. I'm actually the first person done.
I'm almost done with my slime. I just
need to activate it. So here's my slime.
Very nice.
I'm gonna just activate it more. And it has pink, red, blue, and silver.
This is my slime.
Tell them what kind of glitter you have in there.
I have red glitter.
I feel like her name should, for her slime, be Fire Girl. Or Fire Slime. So guys,
glitter.
let me move everything aside because I feel like it's blocking you. But like, I feel like it's
I
blocking
can't fix
me.
it. You're not done with it yet.
Okay guys, so I think Brianna's done almost and Kai is actually done. You're done?
No, people.
He said it's free to fix it.
Put silver in it. Oh my goodness.
Now let's put another color of glitter and it's silver. Okay. So guys, I think everyone did a really great job of slime. No one turned a fail. And look at that, guys. Look how nice here that is.
Is there slime in your hair?
So guys, should we switch the slimes and rate it? Or something?
Wait, never mind.
Guys, so I'm gonna rate Alyssa's and Alyssa's gonna rate mine.
My slime turned blue.
Okay, pokeness, me and Alyssa are gonna rate. I'm gonna poke. I give her pokeness a 10 out of 10. Now stretch. Stretches. I give her a 10 out of a 10.
Because he's reading.
All of these are like, no, bubble. Okay, let's not.
Yeah, I can't do bubble either. But the stretchiness is good. So I think me and Alyssa's slime is actually a good.
Olives.
Wait, Kyle, let me see your slime.
Okay, okay, let me just.
I give up on the.
Guys, our slime is done.
Wait, I got 2.
So guys, we're gonna end the video right here. And yeah. And please like, comment, and
subscribe.
and please turn on your post notifications so you can always be notified. And I will see you next time. Bye guys. Peace.